Which one of the following uses UDP as a transport layer protocol? So we must have to know about UDP. UDP is connectionless. UDP is it is connectionless. One is connection oriented. TCP is connection oriented. UDP is connectionless. It is also stateless. We are going to discuss what is stateless. Stateless means it is not going to store the information about the protocol that is working on it. Whereas TCP is stateful, UDP is stateless, and UDP is unreliable. Using these three properties, we can solve this question. HTTP is connection oriented. HTTP is connection oriented protocol. So it will use TCP as a transport layer protocol. Telnet, it is, you can say that the Telnet is byte stream protocol. It is that is needed connection establishment. It means that Telnet is connection oriented, byte stream connection oriented. So it will also use TCP as a protocol. SMTP, reliability is required here because SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol used for emails. Reliability is more in TCP. So the remaining one is DNS. DNS uses UDP as a transport layer protocol. Getting it? DNS. Option C is the correct answer.